Hi there, Dan here again. We're wrapping up projected job costing. We just have one last thing to talk about. If you look at the homepage, we've talked about dashboard, what you do with that. We've talked about the field progress input sheet and the time input sheet and job costing and productivity factors. So the only button left on this page is the report button. When I click on the report button, I get a choice. I can get a job costing productivity report, or I can get a productivity factors report. Let's click on job costing report. It will give me a report. The last thing I worked on for job costing was sample 1. So it gives me a report in black and white, printable, on all the information that we have on the job name sample 1. These are the tasks that showed up. And this is just like, if you remember the job costing page, there we talk about the hours allowed, the hours actually used, the percent complete. 1 means 100% complete. The hours left to complete per code. We've completed the task. We can see we're way over. We were allowed 1.76, but we used 7, so we're way over. All this information for sample 1 is all here. Up top, I got 3 buttons. I can choose to email this to somebody. If I'm a project manager, I can email it to my boss. I can create a PDF. We want to keep a file of all this information. So I can create a PDF and store that in a digital file, print it, store it in a binder in hard copy. And if I want to print it, I can hit the print button, and there we go. We can print it. So this is the report for job costing. We've gone back to the job costing page, and here I could change which job I'm looking at. And there's a create a report button on this page that goes to exactly the same place. So now here's a report on sample 3 job. I'm going back to the home page. I'm going to click on report again and click on productivity factors. And then I get a report on productivity factors. This is the residential information. The report will include every single job that's in there, so it could be quite extensive. Once again, we have the choice of emailing this, creating a PDF for our files, or printing it. And once again, if I go to the productivity factors, I can change it from residential to commercial and click the report button and get a report on commercial. That's everything for the reports button. And that's everything for projected job costing. I hope you've learned a lot. I hope you enjoyed it. We'll be moving on to other topics now.